What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Rogue Painter channel. So today we're having another unboxing of the Reaper Miniatures Mystery Box from Mighty Lancer Games. Obviously I have no idea what is in these boxes. If you haven't caught the last video, I'll put a link up in the cards there so you can check that out. But basically what this is, it's a monthly subscription box with Mighty Lancer Games. It's £20 a month and you will get a random selection or a pre-selected selection of Reaper's miniatures from their Reaper's Bones range. The models are the same for everybody in the subscription per month, but they change month to month. And obviously we don't know what we're getting until we open up and see what we got for the month. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open this up and see what we've got this month. I will put a link down in the description below so you can check out Mighty Lancer Games website, and if you want to subscribe to this, then you can do that through the link. It will be an affiliate link, so if you want to help support the channel a little bit more than just viewing at no extra cost to yourselves, you can use that link to make your purchases, and I will start putting this link in all my videos from now on. But you can support the channel and I just get a small percentage from the profit that they make through your sales. So whatever it is that you purchase using that link, like I say, no extra cost to you. I just get a small little kickback, just to, you know, help support the channel. So let's have a look and see what we've got. Let's see if we can get this out of the way. Okay, so it seems to be a little bit upside down this week, this month. Usually we have the Reaper thing on the top, but it's not a problem. So first miniature, which is a large one, we've got the Agramon Pit Fiend. So a nice size miniature there, and what I'll do, I'll put up on the screen here now the price for it. So obviously that's a multi-part resin piece there from Dark Heaven's Bones. So that's going to be an awesome one to paint up. Can't wait to do that one. Oh, it's looking like a demon of some kind, so yeah, that will be totally awesome. Then we've got an Eye Beast. So it's what is that? It's the a beholder type miniature. Oh, he's got eyes all over him. Check that out. That's pretty cool. So another one that'll be nice to paint. I do like the Reaper miniature range, which is why I am subscribed to this box. This is in no way sponsored by Mighty Lancer. It's just something that I've decided to do. So yeah, obviously my own opinion on this is my own opinion. So who we got here? Isabeau Loak, and she's a paladin. So that'll go good for a female D&D character. I do play a little bit of D&D with my kids, and I think my daughter wants to be a paladin at some point, so that'll be a good little mini for her. And we've got a male centaur. It's actually brilliant timing, because at the minute we're playing through the Essentials kit for D&D, and there is actually a Minotaur in there that they will be coming up in a couple of sessions time, so that is actually perfect timing. Awesome. And then last but not least, we have a Highlands Familiar and Menhir. Now Menhir looks like, what is that, a dwarf, or is that, I can't work out what the Familiar is. There is a stone column. I'm not too sure on this miniature exactly what it is, but obviously we've got a mini character guy just in here, and then this column type thing. I'm not sure which is the familiar. Doesn't appear to have anything with him, but either way, definitely awesome piece. Bit of a, I don't know, scatter terrain or something there. Unless it says and men here, so he's not the familiar. But either way, definitely a cool little mini. And then obviously you've got the customary sweets there. Another sticker, and yeah, it was packaged kind of upside down, but not. So there's the Mighty Lancer Games. Obviously, there's their website there. Like I say, I will put an affiliate link down in the description. They are an awesome UK-based store. They have a load of miniature and hobby-based stuff, board games, things like that on there, as well as Games Workshop and Reaper Mini stuff. You know, they have some of the lesser known things. I think they do Mantic as well, like they say here, family games, so board games of all types, as well as paint supplies, very you know, different brands, varying brands, including Army Painter, Reaper, Games Workshop, and there are a couple more I can't think off the top of my head that they do. But delivery on them from them in the UK, I ordered a bunch of stuff a few days ago, and I think I got that within 2 days delivery, and that was using the free delivery. And so yeah, check them out guys for your hobby supplies. And there's a bit more on stuff that they do there. D&D, Army Painter, Pokemon. You've got Bolt Action as well. Magic and Yu-Gi-Oh for the card players of you. So yeah, that brings us to the end of this video. I'll just post up here the total cost of what the miniatures were on the RRP for each one. So obviously that's not in any kind of sale or discount what you will find anywhere else. That will be the RRP, or the going price on Reaper's website, we'll say. So total price of them there, obviously £20 paid for the lot, and so there's the saving there as well. So thanks a lot for joining me guys, and I will catch you in the next video.